smoke and sanity testing. Before understanding the smoke and sanity testing, we need to understand what build and release are in the software terminology. You can think of build as a software that contains some set of features and bugs, and the build is installed on a test server waiting to be tested. Build is something like used to change the code into the application format. On the other hand, release is the final version of the product waiting for its users. It's a ready product once it is released. It means that it is delivered to the customer. The release is a completely developed software, while the build is a part of the software. Now let's understand what smoke testing is. The smoke testing is done at the build level. It is done to make sure that if the build we received from the developer is testable or not. Instead of wasting our time to test the whole software, in smoke testing we check the key features of the software work or not. In this testing, we focus on the core application workflow. If the core features don't work, then it is pointless to test the entire application. Therefore, in smoke testing, the bugs will be found if there are any, and then the developer will fix those bugs and a new build will be installed in the server. This process is done in smoke testing. If there is a stable build, then we can perform sanity testing. Sanity testing is done during the release phase to check the main functionalities of the software without going deeper. So it is done at the release level. Sometimes it's also called a subset of regression testing. The initial goal in sanity testing is to clarify or determine that the features work as expected. It may seem that smoke testing and sanity testing are similar, but both of them have their significance and purposes. I believe that the most important point is to remember that smoke testing is executed as soon as the build is installed, while sanity testing is performed as soon as the bug fixes are done. Alright, that's all from my side. If you like this video, please click on the subscribe button. Bye, see you in the next video.